Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video 4 best methods to delete temporary files in Windows 11 PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first of all you need to open run command, press Windows plus R key, then type here recent, press enter. You can see all recent temporary files window will be opened. Select all and delete. After that close this window. Again press Windows plus R key, then type %temp %. Click OK. You can see temporary folder has been opened. Just select all by pressing Ctrl A, right click and delete. Check mark this option, click on continue. Skip this. Skip. Guys, after doing this, just close this window. Then I will show you the third method. Click on start menu, then click on settings. Guys, in system you will find storage. Click on storage. In local disk C, temporary files is there. Just click on this. Guys, you can see here all the temporary files, recycle bin files. You have to delete all this one. Just leave the download folder unchecked and select all the other folders. After selecting the other folders, just click on remove files. Click continue. Guys, after this I will show you the fourth method. Click on start menu, then type clean mgr. You can see here disk cleanup. Just click on this. You need to select the drive in which your Windows has been installed. I am selecting the C drive and click on OK. Guys, you need to check mark all these options. After checking all these options, just click on OK and click on delete files. Click on continue. That's it guys. These are the 4 best ways to delete temporary files in Windows 11 PC. Guys, these are the 4 best methods to delete temporary file in Windows 11 PC. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.